Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a hand spa treatment. Let's start. First, wash. Put soap on each hand and wash in warm water. Then, soak hands for a few minutes. Second, scrub. Gently exfoliate the hands to remove dead skin cells. Third, rinse. Rinse hands to wash off exfoliating cream. Dry. Using a towel, dry hands thoroughly. Fifth, moisturize. Apply a rich balm or lotion. Next, wrap. Then, wrap hands with gloves or cling wrap. Leave for a few minutes. 7. Massage. For finishing touch, massage the hands for extra relaxation. Silky smooth.